Problem set 15. It says observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWV. By observing the figure, we have to fill in this table. Okay, so it says points in the interior, points in the exterior, points on the arms of the angle. Interior points means between the arms of angle. So these are the interior points. So how we will write it? Point N, point R, point C and point X. Then points in the exterior. So these are the exterior, T, U, Q, V, Y. So we will write here point T, point Q, point U, point V, point Y. Next is point on the arms of the angles. On the arms of the angles. So on arms, which points are there? A, W, G, B. So point A, point W, point G and point V. For every point you have to mention point. Don't just write point N and comma R, C, X. No. Point N, point R, point C, point X. Like that you have to write. Next. Name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figures below. Now to name adjacent angle, we have to see that vertex should be common. Of both the angles, vertex should be common. Then there should be one common arm and other common arm should be on the opposite sides of the common arm. Now here let me write first example so you will come to know. Angle ANC. See this one. Angle ANC. This angle I am talking about. So even B and C are adjacent. A and C, B and C. N is common vertex, NC is the common arm, and NB and NA are the arms on the opposite sides of the common arm. So how we will write angle A and C and angle B and C. Next there are another pair B and C, this angle, and B and A. Again N is common vertex, NB is the common arm, NC and NA are the arms on the opposite side. So angle B and C and angle B and A. These two. So these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent. Even these two angles are adjacent. NA is the common arm, NB and NC are the arms on the opposite side, and N is the common vertex. So there are three pairs of adjacent angle in this angle. Now let's see here. We can, by looking at the figure, RTS, only one angle. There is no another angle, no common vertex to T and for another angle. So let us see this one, PQR and PQT. Common vertex is Q, then QR and QT are other arms, and QP is the common arm. So these two pairs are adjacent. This pair, angle PQR and angle PQT. There are no other pairs of adjacent angle in this one, only one pair. Question number 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. We have to see whether these four pairs are adjacent or not. If they are not, then we have to state the reason. First one, PMQ and RMQ. Let me show you the angle PMQ. PMQ means this angle, this much, and RMQ. So RMQ, this angle. So MQ is common R, M is the common vertex, MR and MP on other side. So are they adjacent angle? Yes, they are adjacent angles. Next, RMQ. So RMQ. Now I am showing upper part. RMQ, SMQ. SMQ means this part. See, RMQ and SMQ. Now in this, common vertex is M. Okay, but SMQ is a part, it is interior of RMQ. Now MQ is again, now see, M is the common vertex, one condition is satisfied. MQ is common arm, second condition is also satisfied. But the third condition, that remaining two arms should be on the opposite side. But your remaining two arm, MR and MS, both are on the same side. They are not on the opposite side of common arm. Hence, they are not adjacent. So, no, because other arms are not on opposite side of common arm. This is our reason. Next, RMS and RMT. RMS. This one. RMS. Okay, and RMT. This bigger one. RMT. RMS and RMT. So again, common vertex is M, one condition satisfied. MR is common arm, second condition satisfied. But third one, MS and MT, both are on same side of common arm. See, both this arm are on same side. It should be opposite. So again, no. And we will write same reason down. No, because other arm are not on opposite side of common arm. Lastly, SMT. So SMT, this one. With pen I am showing now. SMT and RMS. RMS, this one. SMT and RMS. So yes, they have common vertex M. MS is the common arm, and MR and MT are on opposite side of the common arm. So yes, they are adjacent angles.